All right, guys, so it's a moment of truth. We're gonna see if we can wake this old Onan up out of its sleep. I'm not exactly sure how long this has been sitting without running. The battery in it was from 2006, and I tell you what, the gas smells like it's got to be at least 3 to 4 years old. I may be out of line with that, but you know, that's just a guess. And just looking at certain things, and it just seems like it's been sitting for, you know, more than 2 years. So I'd say most likely 3 to 4. And we're gonna see what we can do with this. I swapped in the ignition switch from my 1987 318. Like I said in my previous video, I had an issue with not having any dash lights, and so I swapped that switch in. I got my dash lights and put in a good battery, and it seems to crank pretty well. I haven't done a compression test or anything, but it seems to crank evenly. There's no skip in it from what I can tell. I checked for spark, and only on this side, and the spark looks pretty strong. And I also unhooked the outlet from the fuel pump so it doesn't suck any of that old gas up, if that were be the case. So yeah, we're gonna see. We swapped out the old strong box, got this interstate in here that's fairly new, and seems to crank pretty well. I'll show. So yeah, that's where that's at. I'm gonna give it a whiff of carb cleaner, see if it fires on that, and if so, I'll take the cover off the top of the carburetor and give it a little douse of gas and see if it'll continue to run on that. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna get my phone on the tripod, and let's see what happens. Hey, well, that's a good sign. Did not expect that to fire that easy. So that was just some carb cleaner. I'm gonna get my gas can and put a splash of gas in the carb, and we'll see what happens. All right, we got a splash of gas in the carb, and we're gonna see what it'll do. Take 3, scene 1. Nice. All right, a little more gas this time. Alrighty, so I'm pretty surprised about that. I didn't see it starting this easy, and again, that's just some carb cleaner and a hit of gas. Now it doesn't sound like it's running on 2 cylinders. It's hard to tell yet, but yeah. All right, so now we got this thing on the bottle, so we can get a little more run time out of it, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. thing just wants to run. Wow. That is not bad for however long it's been sitting. I was concerned for a moment when I was giving it a shot of gas in the carb. It sounded like it was running on one cylinder. But once I got it on the bottle, got both. So I checked for spark on this side too. I even swapped plug wires because it seemed weak at first, but I'll be damned. Wow, that's impressive. It smoked a little bit at first when I was revving it up, but then it seemed to clear up. It sounds pretty strong, sounds nice and tight. I'm not sure what the compression numbers are on it, but yeah, I'm quite surprised it wanted to run this bad. So anyway, thanks for watching.